In fact, when your name was mentioned, it was like, no, that is Mr. Project. That was the word one of the team members used. And so we are very much obliged to tell you that you pass all the criteria for nomination as our leadership governor of the year because of your governance, the good governance that you have shown and continue to display in Rivers State.
You are the first person in the history of leadership to be the governor of the year twice. It's not about sentiment, but you fall into the apt definition of democracy. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
I believe that you are elected not just to carry out projects within, some people say only first time, some people say second time, use it for someone else. I said, no, that is not correct. In fact, second time means you have to redouble your efforts. So we believe that we'll continue to work for the people till our term expires in May 29, 2023. We will not relent.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.